to fix Rainbow Six Siege crashing or not launching. And if your game won't start, let me ask you, are you opening Rainbow Six Siege and it closes immediately, freezes, or does not launch at all? This problem usually happens because game files are corrupted, GPU drivers conflict with the game, or system components block proper startup. Sometimes recent Windows updates, antivirus, or background apps also trigger crashes. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with risky reinstalls, complicated driver edits, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not open the game. But on Rexish, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of reinstalling everything blindly, we fix the exact game files, GPU driver, and system configuration that causes Rainbow Six Siege to crash or not launch. This works because it restores proper game startup and resource access. The method is fast, safe, and works on all Windows PCs. Once you apply it, Rainbow Six Siege launches normally, gameplay runs smoothly, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple systems, and it worked every time. That is why Rexish shares smart, stress-free solutions. If Rainbow Six Siege crashing or not launching is frustrating you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below, and I will guide you completely.